So my car isn't parked over there, but usually it's written on the vases. So good morning.
Good morning.
So she's off to work. Yes, you're going to work, and I'm gonna make a coffee. So, yeah, my husband is sleeping, and yeah, I will see you soon later today. Doei, Dancho. Ah, good, good. She's using Google Maps. Hey, trottoir, not on the road. Walk on the trottoir. Good.
ყველაზე მეტად მიხარია ხოლმე მე ახალ ადგილას რომ მივდივარ და ძალიან მარტივად რომ ვაგნებ ხოლმე და ის ცილმეზე ადგილები რომ ხვდება. It's country, it's mine.
Now I'm gonna bother my husband in bed. Hey dear. Good morning. So, you awake? Do you want coffee? Really? Should I made you one. Here, it's a new one. Okay, I will bring water. This is the coffee. I will bring water.
I'm going working. ძალიან სტნარია ქუჩაში, ბევრი ხალხი არ მოძრაობს. ხოლო მე საით უნდა დავიდე.
Everyone is at work and I'm bored. I was thinking, let's just dye my hair with this. I will definitely have purple hands, but okay, so thing is purple, my hands and even my face. Heck, kind of liking it.
Hello! And now we are going in ice cream salon in Wassenaar. It's good.
Yeah, very good. It's Italian.
It's Italian,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
It's Delft is same.
Yeah, the
store?
same company, Luciano.
Wow.
Yes, and we're going with this too. Hi guys. My son's not looking.
Which one is your favorite ice cream?
I like the cheesecake one.
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
But I like also chocolate.
Yeah, the chocolate.
It's very good, but chocolate is very strong.
Yeah, it's very chocolatey.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's a nice weather. It's how many degrees do you think? 25 maybe?
25.
Yeah, 25.
Or 20.
20. Yeah, it's.
Yeah.
You see, some people in Holland wear big coats like me, and others are shishmat. Yeah. So let's go to the car. So my car isn't parked over there. It's actually behind the house, but we totally forgot. So this is my son. He doesn't want to go on camera. So we have to walk back.
Shut up.
So we just arrived. It's cold. Yeah, it's the Netherlands. So we just arrived in Wassenaar.
Yes. Here I am first.
Yeah, it's the first time for you.
It's very nice village.
It's cozy. It's so, yeah. So we're so thirsty, so we're gonna drink some water first, right?
Yeah.
And after that, we're gonna eat some ice cream. Ooh. Yeah, it's cold. Yeah.
Oh, yes. It's Netherlands.
Yes.
here is a flower shop. It's very wonderful place.
You can smell all the flowers. So
It's
nice.
very strong.
Yeah, such a nice Dutch flowers. So you can buy many things. You can buy many things. And yeah, actually the prices. Should we ask the prices? Hi, hello. What are the prices of the flowers?
Some of them it's on the face.
Oh, on the face. Oh, okay.
Should be.
Oh yeah. It's not right.
No, it's not right. No.
Oh yeah, I see here one. It's €1. This is the €1 one, so it's not that expensive as you can see. But usually it's written on the vases. How much is the most expensive one?
You have to ask him because
Oh,
lives
he's the owner.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So you see, oh, this one, it's €10. Oh, but it's fake.
I like this one.
I thought this was real, but it's
I like
fake.
this one.
Oh yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, oh, those are the fake ones, but they seem so real. Oh, very nice. But okay, we have to, because Wacho is waiting and David is waiting, so let's go,
We're
right?
going ice cream.
Yes.
Eat the small area. Here many people drink, also eat. Here is very many restaurant in different country,
Yeah.
Italian and Dutch. Georgian,
No, Georgian. And here you can tap water, as you can see. It's for free, and you can fill up your bottle. Yes, we can fill up the bottle because we paid 150 for water, and it's very
It's
good.
free.
It's free and it's drink water, so you can. We can fill up the water. Let me push. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it's all filled. So now we have extra water, right?
so far.
We just arrived and I'm gonna show you. They're like, stop talking to the camera, but we want to vlog. We want to show you guys. So this is it.
Here is also ice cream cake.
Yeah.
I think which one is better? This
know.
one is strawberry and chocolate
Cookie and cream.
Yes,
So see what it looks
but
like.
here everything is very delicious.
Yeah. So hello. Can we please, ik spreek ook gewoon Nederlands. Mag ik een hoorntje cheesecake?
Ja.
En dan voor haar hetzelfde? Origi, net weet.
It's very much chocolate.
Oh, she wants chocolate.
This one.
The milk chocolate, yes. So this is
I take chocolate ice cream. You take cheesecake.
yeah, the cheesecake. And we're gonna eat, enjoy the ice cream.
About to catch another flight. Yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night.
So we're still in Wassenaar.
It's a small farmer.
Yeah, this is this. Oh, bicycles all the way. You can sit and relax. And there is a play field over here where the kids play.
So it is very relaxed.
Yeah, look how nice. It smells like horses. Let's check. Oh, but it's empty. So they're all off walking, I think. Oh, it smells so bad. აი, ნანჩომაც მოაყენე. მოდი. წაიყვანე ერთიც თუ გინდა.
მიდი. დევიდი მე დააშა 2 დღე დევიდი დააწყოს ის.
მე ვახო და ვიყოთ აქ, ხო?
მიდი მამას გავხარ.
So we're back home.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little vlog and hope to see you next Tuesday. Yes, that will be the next vlog. So
Friday.
Friday?
Yes.
No, Tuesday. This is the Friday vlog.
Friday,
So
sorry.
and please, if you like us and if you enjoyed our vlogs, subscribe. We would like that and hope to see you next time.
Reason that's not to get